It's me, Dirty Statistics Boy.
Whoa!
Featuring Small Lizard. Scarlet, what are you doing? Go back. Give me a second.
Okay.
I have always been a statistics boy. Now, from my dinosaur videos to my diamond vein video, they all involved statistics and probability. This is not one of those, because this video isn't a video for paleontology. It's a math video for math class. So, basic gist of it is that I have to find the volume of a shape using integral calculus, which is fine, mildly difficult. Heck, I was debating using integral calculus on the diamond vein video because of the new spikes in the 1.17 update, because they use sine waves function to create them. Thank you, Mojang, you make my life so hard. But anyways, here is me finding the volume of the greatest shape ever made. That's right, we are making a Mario mushroom.
Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
Now, I picked this one specifically for two reasons. One, if you get all the segments, if you divide it into infinite segments, each of those segments will be a circle. This is integral to the method that we're using today. So if you're planning on doing something like that, that has to be true. Or if you take one segment of it, you have to be able to rotate it 360 degrees to create the shape. And also, it's basically only two shapes, so that makes it even easier. I also wanted to take this time to thank some of my actual viewers. I know this isn't related to the math project, but we've been getting on average 100 views a day and 2 subscribers per day, which is... Enjoy the video.
Chocolate chip. I came for ice cream.
So the first page is basically just an exemplified version of what I said in the intro. But what I put as there for my explanation for why I picked a mega mushroom is, and I quote, Mario bussin' shroom that make him go Let's play Fortnite. So, by far the funniest thing about this project is that there are 5 slides that I had to go through, but I ended up doing all the math on the second slide. So, let's just take a look at what's going on here. So, this is Desmos. I put Mega Mushroom Mario Kart Wii .png right in there. It's a pretty high resolution texture. It's pretty cool. What I did is I used these 2 lines and these weird equations. This is an equation for a standard circle that I ended up changing a bit just to make it so that it matches the dimensions. It does something. Let's just say that. It's not perfect, but it's almost there. This is another big circle. They're supposed to go 360 around, but one of the coolest things about Desmos is how versatile it is. So you can actually make differential functions. I think that's what they're called. You just put those in there, and then Desmos is like, understandable. Have a good day. Unlike somebody else. What the frick? Well, if you do it the old-fashioned way, all we gotta do is take this 1.7 parentheses x minus 3 to the second power. What is the 3? I don't know. Don't ask. And we shift it over there, and that makes it y squared is equal to 4 times 1.7 parentheses x minus 3 to the second power. Get the square root of that, because it's y squared. And look, we can check our work by taking this, copying this, and then posting in the other side, and seeing if the line is the same. And guess what? It is!
Oh my god!
We're also going to do that for the second one, but the math for here, solving y, is a little bit more complicated, so I don't really want to get into it too much, but... And then here's the easy part. All we gotta do is just plug in the integrals with the same coordinates that you do to make it stop at 0 and to make it stop at when it's intersecting the other line. Put that equation in and then put pi r squared because that's the equation for a circle, and we want to make a circle out of this radius. So this is like a 2D radius, and we're using that 2D radius to make a 3D circle. It's weird, but bear with me. So that's easy. All we gotta do is just plug in these, you know, it's easy, just plug it in and... No, this can't be true. This can't be true. I'll ask you one last time. What did you do to Desmos?
You feeble child. Exactly what you did to me. Leave me for that stupid software.
Why did you make me do this? You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you fail. Think, Mathway! You will outlast every fragile and insignificant math website on the internet. You'll live to see Desmos crumble to dust and blow away everyone, and everything you know will be gone. What will you have after 500 SAT tests?
I'll still have you going. I'll still have you.
Wait, hold on a second. What if I just changed it by... Oops.
Oh my god.
Well, either way, in order to finish this crazy video off, all you have to do is put these equations in parentheses and use the circle for formula, pi r squared, r being the equation that you had for the y value, so you're basically making a three-dimensional circle. I talked about this before. Always the bigger number on top, and if you're in Desmos, it'll spit out the correct number. So they're reasonably in with each other. So you can just add those together, and we get a final estimated area to be 408.721 units. Now, obviously, we don't know what these 1, 2, 4, 6s are, and also the image is a little stretched, but for this image and for the units on the image, that would be the area of it if it was 3D. I feel like this video was like 50% math and 50% bullshit. There's a lot of sun in my eye, but thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something. And also, thank you for 20,000 views. But I'm going to say that in person as well, because that's such a big milestone. I mean, 20,000 of y'all have watched some of these videos, which is absolutely crazy. Now we just need to get 20,000 subscribers, I guess. But, oh my god, this is horrible. Thank you for watching. See ya. Math plan. Math plan. Math plan. DJ Khaled. Math plan. Math plan. Ratata. I don't wanna disappoint. But you don't have a point. Jason Derulo. Points are definitely small. One dimensional. Subscribe to K-Lowe.